70% of estate plans fail. So conclude Roy Williams and Vic Pricer in their book, Preparing Heirs, describing a study of over 3,200 estate plans. The authors define a failed estate plan as one in which the final value of all a benefactor's assets received by heirs is significantly less than the value of all the assets at the benefactor's death. The authors argue that these diminished asset values are ultimately caused by a lack of communication between benefactors and heirs. Our response. While poor benefactor-heir communication is indeed a significant estate planning problem, in reality, other reasons may also account for the diminished value of inherited assets. Drawing on over 30 years' experience in estate planning and inheritance litigation, we assert that estate planning fails when the value of assets received by your heirs is diminished by unnecessary costs that could easily have been avoided with good planning. Decades of experience confirm that 5 common problems affect every person's estate planning and always result in failed planning. Unnecessary and avoidable costs that diminish the value of inherited assets. These 5 common, costly problems are: 1. Fiduciary and beneficiary ignorance. 2. Titling mistakes. 3. Unchecked resentments. 4. Cheap, inadequate documents. And 5. Ignorance of tax laws. Only 2 persons can prevent these problems: the person wanting their estate planning done and the attorney paid to prepare the person's planning. Unfortunately, among thousands of Utah attorneys claiming to do estate planning, decades of experience prove that less than 30 attorneys, maybe 1% of all Utah estate planning attorneys, may be counted as Utah's best Tier 1 planning attorneys. More unfortunately, very few people know why these attorneys may be counted as Utah's best. Experience proves that Utah's best estate planning attorneys possess 5 essential qualities. These attorneys are: 1. Insistent professional educators. 2. Loyal funding experts. 3. Qualified proven peacekeepers. 4. Independent document creators. And 5. Expert tax attorneys. In our videos titled 5 Problems, 5 Essential Qualities, we briefly explain each of these 5 problems and 5 qualities. Additional videos and articles on our site confirm these problems and qualities in detailed depth with verified facts and entertaining and informative case studies. Welcome to Hughes and Misener Estate Attorneys.